Medical marijuana is top of mind this legislative session, with bills already filed to start a state program.
WRAL's Destiny Patterson has been out in the community talking to people in the hemp industry and with lawmakers about its future.
Last legislative session, lawmakers in the Senate passed what they called the NC Compassionate Care Act, but it never made it to the House floor. This year, lawmakers are more optimistic. I stopped by several local CBD shops, and one of the managers tells me that she hopes that it does get passed. Shops like Redhead Hemp sell an array of CBD and THC products.
We sell our own gummies, our own Delta 8 cartridges.
Abby Knopf creates her own baked goods for the store.
Cereal bars, peanut butter cups, cupcakes. It has to be below 0.3% on a dry weight basis, but as long as we stay below those limits, it's totally legal to sell.
Knopf says CBD and THC products are often used to treat certain medical conditions.
We actually do get a lot of clients that went through chemo and had cancer, or replaced a hip bone.
They have a lot of veterans. They have people who I know who've going through illnesses that this could really make a difference in their life going forward.
If the NC Compassionate Care Act gets the green light, doctors can prescribe the drug for certain medical conditions like cancer.
For a lot of new members, I think it's a good opportunity this time for it to pass.
People opposed to the bill note issues of addiction, short-term memory loss, and the fact that marijuana is still against federal law.
I appreciate the sponsor's desire to help those who are suffering with physical or mental health issues.
Since Senator Jim Bergen has spoken publicly about his opposition to medical marijuana, I tried to schedule a time to meet him. He said he was unavailable and ultimately said he didn't think it would be fair to give a formal statement before the bill made it further through the process.
But marijuana does not treat the ailment. It only masks the symptoms.
All but 13 states in the U.S. have a medical marijuana program. States like South Dakota and Alabama have programs that are not operating yet.
I think North Carolina is a conservative state, as we might know. So I think that's one of the issues, that people think that it will roll into something else, that people will take advantage of it.
It's important to know that if the act does get passed, North Carolina's laws would be more strict compared to those in other states when it comes to things like signage and the approved conditions. Destiny Patterson, WRAL News, Raleigh.
And you won't want to miss this week's edition of On the Record. I go in depth on this subject and the future of proposed legislation. You can watch tomorrow night at 7:30.